wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come a shot a selector boy.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. Back in the lab again with another banger, you know, people. You already know what time it is. Yo, that mafia, see what we're doing today, man. Today we're there with another interesting video, a very insightful video. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you guys like it. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you guys like it and it's dope. But yeah, man, for me, if I tell you see what we do today. Today we're there with Mr. Crocodile Teeth himself. Yeah, see me? Yeah, man, we're there with none other than Mr. Universe, one of the best artists out right now. We're talking about none other than Skillibeng. We're here with a bit of an interesting video today. Yeah, man, if you see from the title, you see this one is called Skillibeng, the Art of Dumbing Down. Yeah, see me, the TriStar. So we want to check out and see what it deal with. Yeah, see me, because based on the video I'm seeing, it's talking about Skillibeng's style of music and how he delivers his music and his style and everything. And I guess they consider the art of dumbing down. I always said it to a lot of people, like Skillibeng is very lyrical, bro, you know what I'm saying, and he's able to break down very complex or make very, you know, complex beats, melody and structure very simple, and a lot of people miss it. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes in a music industry, you don't need your songs or your lyrics to be too complicated and all, you know what I'm saying, full of intricacies and sometimes it's just a simple beat, you see me, a simple melody and a simple, you know, a simple catchy, I would say a simple diction, and diction meaning choice of words. Okay, so damn, pull up your dictionary, and sometimes all you need is simple diction to convey the message or feeling that you're trying to get across, and that's all it is with music. Sometimes you don't have to overthink the thing or overcomplicate the thing, you know. From the people gravitate to you towards it, them gravitate towards you. You see me? No matter whether if you're complicated or your lyrics simple. So that's what we're gonna check out and see what this video has to say about Skillibeng and his style of music. You know what I'm saying? I told you guys we're gonna get more videos like this. We're gonna be looking into the artists, more interviews, you know, research on their style and all that. You know what I'm saying? So let me know if you guys like videos like this. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, so we're gonna check it out, man. Yo, Skillibeng, I always told people, yo, Skillibeng, all them artists that were like, play a fool for catch what. Bro, from here, Mr. Universe, Binland, Brand New, all of his songs when he just bust. If you hear them there, bro, you should know, say, yo, Skillibeng is a normal artist, bro. Like, you should know that when he sing himself a song that is on purpose, he's not trash, and you know what I'm saying, he's not like he can't find lyrics. Skillibeng a bad artist, bro. Even the songs that y'all claim is simple or dumbing down, it's actually pretty good, intricate, very complex, well put together songs. You know what I'm saying? Even know why them a pre me like steamy, I mean like speedy. They don't really that but you like me. And you know, say I write for my deal, bro. Even that is very complicated, and it's a very like simple delivered song. Just go listen to the beat and how everything is structured and put together, bro. The man's style is unmatched and very different. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we're gonna check it out and see where the video have to say about the artist. You see me and say, cause Skillibeng, I'm telling you, so Skillibeng, bro. I already told you, Skillibeng one of the greats, bro. Even the song, if I hear the song Beethoven, bro, y'all be sleep on Skillibeng, bro. You see me, he call it Beethoven or piano for a reason, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just go listen to everything put together, and you know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. These songs are going like, these songs are top tier songs Skillibeng be jumping, bro. Real shit. So I know why the people have gravitate to one. But we're gonna check out this. This is Skillibeng Art of Dumbing Down. Let's get it. See what it is.
Broken dreams with a broken life. Me a suffer from bar, now you're something door.
How is it possible that Skillibeng's music style has gained such widespread acceptance internationally? The art of dumbing down is the act of making something simpler and easy in order to make it more popular. Some may label this as an insult, but if you ask me, it's really a compliment. It's just how you establish it. Because in itself, it's acknowledging that you are capable of doing more.
Some people will call it dumbing down an insult, but bro, it's a compliment, because you being able to take your project, your item, your product, and be able to fit it in a way that most people enjoy and will gravitate towards. Come on, bro. That's very difficult to do. Come on.
A lot of artists dumb down their music because of accessibility. We're going to talk about Skillibeng's unique style of music and his approach. Picture this: Skillibeng, a name that resonates across the globe. Some say he's mastered the art of dumbing down his music to cater to a wider audience. But is it really that
They
simple?
got the goat picture of Skillibeng standing on the wall. Yeah, Skillibeng one of the goats, man. Shout out to Skilly, bro.
Let us unravel the layers around Skillibeng music. Now, you have seen Skillibeng light up stage, connecting with the audience like no other. His style vibrant and diverse, transcend genres. Skillibeng not just about performing. He's about breaking down the barriers that confine music. Let's address the elephant in the room, the concept of dumbing down. Some argue that Skillibeng music reach a broader audience internationally, but others sees it as an authentic expression of his unique creativity. It's a fine line between creating and staying true to oneself. So how do you look at it? Do you think Skillibeng just being creative, or is he trying to reach a wider audience? This is how I look at it. Whenever
I think he's just being very creative. I don't think he's trying to dumb down his lyrics to fit a wider audience. I think he know how to be creative and connect to people. You know what I'm saying?
Skillibeng name is mentioned. The first thing come to mind is controversy and fandom. Skillibeng got both of them handled. See his ability to navigate complex music landscapes during discussion while keeping his fans engaged. This is a testament to his mastery, you know. His song sparks debate that goes beyond just musical notes. Skillibeng's willingness to explore new horizons, to experiment with styles, prove he's not just about simplification. He's about growth and evolution, both as an artist and as a genre bonding force. To simply put, Skillibeng music isn't confined to borders or language. It's a global anthem that becomes part of people's life. From that.
Wait, 40 minutes? We're not watching this whole thing. Okay.
Dance floor to headphone, his music speaks universe.
Skillibeng style though has no border, bro. I know, you know what I'm saying? Barriers, bro. The same man do me tell the same man come with, Skillibeng is the first to come with Jamaican drill rap, bro. You feel me? Yeah, man. Now nobody can take it, bro. When they was doing New York drill and UK drill, Skilly came with a Jamaican drill, and that's one of my favorite shit from Skilly, bro. When you're doing the drill music on the drill beats. Yeah, okay, he's unmatched, bro. Nobody can touch him, bro. Real shit.
Universal language. But what's his secret? Is it truly dumbing down, or is there more to it? The balance he strikes between accessibility and authenticity is what sets him apart. Skillibeng music bridge the gap, capturing hearts across demographics. Now let's talk about the negative aspect about this and how Skillibeng managed to
shout out to M-Lord, bro.
So the concept of dumbing down in music, particularly when it becomes a norm for a musician style, can have detrimental effects on their career in a long run. So while catering to a broader audience might lead to initial success and a wider recognition, it can risk diluting the artist's originality and artistic depth. As an artist leans towards simplicity and familiarity to maintain popularity, they might inadvertently lose the respect of their core fan base who appreciate their unique creativity. Moreover, this...
But yeah, basically what he's saying, yo, while trying to appeal and make your music more appealing to other people or a broader audience, you could lose that unique style that people that made people gravitate to you if you try to alter to please a crowd. They're like, yo, man, you know, you might try to play everybody, you lose the edge that make us want to listen to him in the first place. You know what I mean? And while trying to cater to an audience, a broader audience, like you trying to, you know what I'm saying, you might lose your core fan base. The people might truly believe with you, will rock with you through thick and thin. You might lose them in the process of that. So it's very delicate, you know what I'm saying? Real shit.
This approach can lead to a decline in critical acclaim as music enthusiasts and critics start to perceive the artist as confronting to a formulaic and generic approach. Furthermore, relying solely on a dumbed-down style can limit an artist's growth and potential. Music is a medium through which artists express their emotions, thoughts, and experiences. When a musician consistently produces simplified content, they might find themselves boxed into a particular image, making it challenging to explore new avenues and evolve artistically. Also note that as the industry evolves and listeners' tastes change, artists who are perceived as riding a trend might struggle to maintain relevance when that trend eventually fades. In essence, to allure a short-term gain from dumbing down can ultimately hamper an artist's long-term artistic development and career trajectory. So how did Skillibeng manage to maintain this style despite knowing the challenges he may face? Fortunately, Skillibeng's ability to strike a delicate balance between a more simplified approach and an authentic expression of his musical roots had played a pivotal role in his ongoing success. What do you notice about Skillibeng music when he's doing collaboration? Collaborating with established and authentic artists like Vibes Cartel and Popcorn, just to name a few, has allowed Skillibeng to see seamlessly integrate the natural dancehall style into his music, offering a more refined and genuine experience for our listeners. This strategic choice to maintain his unique sound within collaboration has not only kept his core fan base engaged, but has also garnered appreciation from
I was just about to say, doing features, if you notice, doing features, Skillibeng keep him like original style, what people know him for, and come gravitate to him for. When I do like features, and keep the style, and when I make him tune them, switch it up and style it up. So you see me and say, so when they can be like, say, yo, him do the song in a new style, I didn't try a thing in a theme song, and you go check out the artist song when you drop out there and got in whole. I can be like, alright, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, skill still there.
Why the audience who resonate with the natural dancehall vibes. And if you ask me, this approach showcases Skillibeng's versatility as an artist, demonstrating his capacity to evolve with staying true to his origins, thereby ensuring that his music continues to capture the hearts of fans who recognize and applaud his balanced approach. How about the scientific aspect of dumbing down? Do you understand this perspective? Before I explain all of that, hit the like button, and if you are a dancehall artist, you need to stick around. Now let's talk about this young lady.
And a lot of people need to realize, yo, the sign of an intelligent person is not to make simple things complicated, but the sign of an intelligent person is to make complicated things simple. Alright? So the people them that usually try to use these big words and things for sound smart are usually the dumbest people, because people with the very intelligent people with high IQs usually is able to find simple words to explain a very complicated topic. You get what I'm saying? So that's his real sign of intelligence. So a person that's able to dumb down their lyrics so a broader range of audience can understand and accept, is actually a sign of intelligence. You know what I'm saying? So don't get it twisted.
Me not okay, me not alright. Broken dreams with a broken life, me a suffer from.
Her name is Tristar, song title Broken, and the song is produced by Great Sound Production. And as you can tell, it's all about pain and how you can embrace it. She has suffered from paranoid, something done right. Long time she a try, long time she a fight. She a no star. Big up herself, Tristar. Link will be in the comment section. You can check her music out. And the composition showcase a deep understanding of musical dynamics as she seamlessly transition between vulnerability and empowerment. Tristar's voice control is nothing short of spectacular. Her voice range and emotion delivers draws listeners which generate or evokes genuine empathy for her experience. Another thing I notice, her ability of emotion through her singing is something that a seasoned artist would do. Trust me, the girl here different, so check her music out.
Me a try to find but my last out aside. Me a feel no pain, sleepless.
Now, from a scientific perspective, the concept of dumbing down in the context of music can be understood through cognitive and psychological processes. Music is a
I picked the software engineering program because they pay very well. It's a fast-paced industry. The bootcamp.
A form of art, right? We engage in various cognitive facilities of the brain, including perception, emotion, memory, and prediction. Now look at it this way. When an artist simplifies their music to make it more accessible, they often tap into certain cognitive mechanisms that are inherently pleasing and familiar to a broader audience. Now, one aspect of this is pattern recognition. Humans are naturally inclined to recognize and enjoy patterns as they provide a sense of predictability and comfort. Simplified music often relies on repetitive patterns, straightforward melodies, and easily digestible chords and progression. Listen to me. When I listen to Skillibeng music, we all know that he established all of this, right? These elements can lead to a sense of gratification for our listeners, making the music easier to understand and remember. Another aspect is emotional engagement, which is another critical aspect. Music has a profound impact on emotions, and simple composition can more directly evoke emotional responses. Elements like catchy hooks, relatable lyrics, and straightforward rhythm can trigger immediate emotional connection.
Yeah, very simple, more than complicated. You see me? So it's better to keep it simple than being complicated with it. What you talk?
Without requiring deep contemplation. And in terms of memory, simplicity aids retention. When music is uncomplicated and follows predictable structure, it becomes easily for the brain to process and remember. This contributes to the earworm phenomena, where simple melodies or lyrics get stuck in your head due to the memorability. Please note that there is a fine line between accessible music and oversimplification. While simple elements can enhance engagement, and excessive focus and simplification might lead to a distaste in your music. And you remember at one point, Skillibeng music, everybody that wonder what really going with the artist, yeah? Because persons were not feeling that impact anymore. So he had to switch it back a little bit and try to, implement a balance between the dumbed down style and the original aspect of the dancehall music. And by doing this, he mainly focused on collaboration. So to conclude Skillibeng's strategic approach to what might appear as a dumbed down, his music is a multifactored and calculated choice that has propelled him to the forefront of the music industry. While the term dumbed down might oversimplify his intricate strategy, Skillibeng's ability to create music that resonates universally while retaining elements of his authentic style is a testament of his artistry. And his balanced approach strikes a chord with diverse audience, solidifying his position as a true musical maverick which effectively bridge accessibility with authenticity. If you reach this far in the video, mad respect. Best up on yourself, man. See you on the next one. Peace.
Really dope video. Shout out to MLord6, yo. MLord doing his thing for the culture, man. Really interesting, really insightful, really dope video. So shout out to MLord, yo. That boy doing his thing. Definitely go show the creator some support, man. But yeah, man, really interesting video, really dope video, man. MLord, you did me your thing on this one. Really insightful, really informational. And yeah, man, I always said this before even this video or, any discussion like this. I always said it. I was like, yo, Skillibeng know how to dumb down his music and how to, appeal to a broader range of audience. Because not every songs need to be complicated and full of lyrics. Cartel can do the full of lyrics thing and appeal to a broader audience. But, some other artists may have to dumb it down a bit or simplify it. Now, Skillibeng does a intricate form of simplification, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to his music. Like, he simplifies music, but like he still keeps it very, I would say, intricate. Like, for instance, even if he got simple lyrics like Crocodile Teeth or Piano, if you listen to the beat itself is very intricate and shows like structure and show that the person who's on this track actually knows some form of music. So you know what I'm saying? And sometimes when you look at very simpler beat patterns, like I would say Mr. Venus I think Mr. Venus have a simple beat pattern, but the lyrics in that is very intricate. You see me? So with Skillibeng now, while he might simplify the lyrics, the beat may be very intricate, while he might simplify the beat, the lyrics may be very intricate. You know what I'm saying? So you know how to balance out his music, so he can give you the best of both worlds. You see me? And even when he's simplifying it, every line, and then he may drop a little gem, a little lyrical part there, you know what I'm saying? So you can be like, so you can think a little bit. But yeah, man, Skillibeng definitely know what he's doing. He definitely want to do that master his craft, as well as, either master the business of music or have people around him that knows the business of music very well, for him able to navigate and maneuver in the business like he does and making the connection and the impact that he's making. So shout out to little Skillibeng, man. He's doing something right. Keep it up, my G. Shoot for the stars. You already know what time it is, man. We love your music over here, man. That Mafia love your music. Jamaica love your music. America love your music. We all love your music. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, Skillibeng is one of the first artists to come out with Jamaican drill. You know what I'm saying? When there was New York drill and UK drill, Pop Smoke and Abracadabra and them, yeah, Skillibeng was the one that doing it for y'all, dog. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, he was definitely one of the first. Nobody can take that from him. You see me? I said nobody can take that from Skilly. He definitely, like Tommy Lee, came here and created his own lane within the genre. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, shout out to Skilly. You see me? Definitely doing his thing. I know a lot of young youths look up to you. You see me? Both in Jamaica and in America. You know what I'm saying? Your style is unique, and you're making waves, man. You're making splash. You're making moves that other artists wanna make too and wanna follow in your footstep. So yeah, man, shout out to you, Skilly. Keep doing your thing, bro. You know what I'm saying? You're one of the first artists to show love to the channel, so we appreciate you, man. You know what I'm saying? Definitely one of the dopest artists out. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, guys, let me know anything about the video. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? What y'all think about Skillibeng, his style? What y'all think about his art of dumbing down in his music? Do you think he's actually dumbing down his music, or actually he understands how to appeal to a broader range of audience and is how to make music from the get-go? You know what I'm saying? Not really dumb down in music, and you know what I'm saying? So let me know what you think about Skillibeng. what you know about this video. You see me? If you like this video, definitely go show the creators some love and support. Let me know so Jambisco dance anyway. You see me? Big up M-Lord. I'm M-Lord doing them thing, man. One of the best content creators out here in the Jamaican space. So shout out to him, man. He's doing his thing. Really interesting video. I enjoyed it a lot. So show him some love, you know what I'm saying? And definitely let me know what you want to react to next, and I'll definitely get it done. I don't know what time it is. I was here with a banger, guys. So let's, drop the comments. Let's get the conversation going. Let's chop it up. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you want me to do next, and I'll get it done. You don't know I'm here, man, with the bangers. We coming to take over, man. You don't know that mafia with the latest reaction channel on YouTube. Upgrades coming to the channel, new camera and everything. So stay tuned, bro. You know what I'm saying? We gonna be going in, bro. You see me? We gonna be lit over here. You know what I'm saying? So you don't know. Well, Jambisco. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.